We just replaced this outdated small screen with a brand new 10.25-inch screen that has Apple CarPlay. Look what a difference it makes in this 2018 4Runner TRD Pro. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. We sell Apple CarPlay conversion kits for almost every model of Lexus and Toyota. Today I'm going to walk you through some of the features of this kit in the Toyota 4Runner here. We've been selling these kits for quite some time for the 4Runner. As you see, it adds beautiful factory-looking Apple CarPlay, and it looks like the brand new 2020 to 2024 style 4Runner. You can put the 4Runner in reverse, and it'll add dynamic steering lines when you turn your steering wheel. As well, it'll come right back to Apple CarPlay. If your car has 360-degree cameras, they would show up on the side. Talking about Apple CarPlay now, whether you use Apple Music, Spotify, SoundCloud, Pandora, the SiriusXM app, or any other music app, all your music apps will automatically show up in CarPlay. You can see how nice the album art looks. It's very large, and the whole screen will color to match it. It's a really nice CarPlay feature. You can easily access all of your music on the big screen. As well, whether you use Apple Maps like we do here, or if you use Google Maps, Waze, or otherwise, any Maps app will show up in CarPlay. In Apple Maps, you'll have favorites and recently saved destinations up top. You can also search for destinations nearby.
Starting route to Figulina.
Siri will read you your navigation instructions. Coming back home, Siri makes texting a breeze. As you can see, text messages pop right up here.
Parker said, "Want to grab dinner tonight? Would you like to reply?"
Yes.
What do you want to say to Parker?
Let's do it.
It says, "Let's do it." Send it.
Send it.
Done.
As you can see, if you are driving, that makes texting far easier. Any app you use, whether for business or personal, that has a CarPlay component, like audiobooks or Audible, will automatically show up in CarPlay. Of course, if you have any questions about the installation, we have a full installation video for this kit. It comes available both in this black color as well as a silver gray color for the lighter trim. You can see even in my TRD Pro, which has the shiny trim, it matches very nicely in this kind of matte gray color. So it fits all of the surrounding trim and looks very nice regardless of what your trim color is. We sell a variety of products for the 4Runner. We have this one here. We also sell a larger screen that's about this big, and it moves your air vents down here. As well, we have an interface module that would install inside your factory display if you want to keep that factory look and feel fully. This kit is super powerful. You can put a variety of apps on it. If you have any questions, our North Carolina-based tech support is here to help you. You can give us a call at 919-858-2890. You can also check out our forum on our website, or you can shoot us an email at support@hamiltonmotorcompany.com.